Hi, my name is Vivan Roshan and I'm a third year student here at the School of Performing Arts. I am majoring in vocals and I have joined the college back in 2021 and it's been a fantastic experience since then being at NMIMS. I joined this college initially because NMIMS is one of the only places that gives an entire degree in BA in Western Contemporary Music. Here at NMIMS, the faculty is amazing. We get to really push ourselves and be the best versions of ourselves here at NMIMS. We have several different events like Naad Expression and College Fest that NMIMS pushes us to take part in, because as an artist, the most important thing is a stage, is a place to perform, hence making us our best versions as musicians. We have different workshops that take place regularly here. The faculty here is fantastic. There's some international faculty here as well as some Indian faculty that really are the best of the best in the business, be it as musicians or be it as academic professionals. We get the best here at NMIMS. We always like to push our boundaries here. They teach us the real world right here. So the best place to be at for a music degree is NMIMS. Thank you.